I have been a lifelong learner of YouTube, and I can confidently say that whatever I know, 90% of that is because I learned it from YouTube. If you are like me, who practically come to YouTube for everything, be it learning, exploring things, what I'm going to show today is going to change your life. Because I wish that something like this existed, and that's why I made it. It is the world's best YouTube summarizer, which can help you summarize long videos very quickly and accurately. And the best part is, it's multilingual. So no matter what you're trying to learn, you can learn everything super quick, super accurately using this extension. Let me quickly show you how it works. So this is my YouTube homepage, and let me select any one of these videos. Let's say I select this one. Okay. One of the most. So this is 42 minutes long. Even if I watch it in 2x, it's going to be 21 minutes long. But what if I want to consume all the knowledge that Greg is sharing in this video in, let's say, 1 or 2 minutes? How would that happen? I cannot watch this video in 5x or 10x to consume it in 4 minutes, right? That doesn't work. So what's the solution? The solution is Cutsio's YouTube Summarizer. And for that, go to the Chrome store and just search for Cutsio YouTube Summarizer and Transcriber. Add it to the browser of your choice. It works in all browsers based on Chromium, which are most of the browsers right now, including Perplexity's Comet, ChatGPT's Atlas, Arc, Dia. So it works on every single legit browser out there. So if I add it to Arc right here, and it's going to install in just 1 second. And when I go back to YouTube, I can see on the right, there is a new panel which says Cutsio's YouTube Summarizer. And it shows all the transcript in time-stamped way. So I can just point at any time and I can just jump to that time on this video. I also have a raw transcript and I have these export options. Now the magic happens right here. But for that, I have to log in. So let me just log in quickly and it will log me in and load my plan. So I'm on a trial plan right now. I'm still figuring out these things. That's why you see these funky numbers. But the point is, if I press this generate summary, it's going to ingest all the video, all the 42 minutes of it, and generate a precise and concise summary that I can take away without having to spend 40, 30, or 20 minutes in one video, right? Let me show you how good that is. So if I do this and wait for a few seconds, it's gonna ingest all this video and it's gonna give me all these summaries. And you saw this happening in real time, right? So it's given me a TLDR. TLDR means too long, didn't read. So this is what key points are. Without having to spend even like 1 total minute on this video, I was able to generate all these key points within seconds. So this is a quick summary. If I want to extend that summary to even get more insights from this video, I'll click on extended and click generate summary once again. And it's going to take a little while and give me a super extended generated summary, which doesn't miss any of the highlighted points that Greg has made in this video. And it saves me for spending so much time and still getting the gold value that is in there inside the video, but hidden at certain places, right? So let's wait for the summary, and here it is. And this is the extended summary of this whole video bit by bit. And it has dynamically made sections taken from whatever Greg has told about in this video. And I can just quickly breeze through videos, consume knowledge, learn a lot of things in so much less time than what it was possible before. And in the end, it will also have a Q&A, which will just give me more insights from this video, right? And the best part is you can also export this as a TXT or a markdown format. So if you want to feed it to an automation or do whatever you want, you can do it with not only the transcript, but with the summary of any video, right? But here's one more thing. You can translate this video to any language you wish. So if you're not a native English speaker or you are researching or learning a language, the translation bit has always been a hit or miss on YouTube, but not now. So if I translate it to, let's say, French, and I click translate, within a few seconds, it's going to translate the whole summary in timestamped format in a new language. And in our case, it is French. So you see, everything that Greg is speaking is now translated word by word into French. And here it is, everything in French, right? So translation is also there. Summary is also there. And before I go, there's just one more thing that I want to show. We saw that we can generate summary of this video and we can also translate. Now, here's one slight magic touch. If I have the translation in any language, I go to summary and I click on generate summary once again. See what happens. and it is going to generate the summary in that language which you just translated this video into. So the possibilities are virtually endless. You can translate this video to any language out here. The summary would be made in that language. This just opens so much possibilities on YouTube. Language is no more a barrier. You can learn anything super fast. I don't see a reason why you would not use it. Isn't this super cool? And it's not only for learning. I'm using it daily when I see videos about travel, because if a video is 20 minutes long, the information is only for like 1 minute. And this helps me go to that 1 minute mark very quickly by transcribing and giving me a whole summary. Imagine having a 20-minute vlog of a place you want to go, and Cutsio can quickly summarize and give you a list of what all the vlogger told in that video. Similarly, for educational videos, science videos, and even videos like this, just quickly summarize with Cutsio, get to the point, and move forward. So consuming content now can happen at the speed of thought. And this is especially if you are a YouTube consumer, but if you are a YouTube creator, Cutsio has something even better to offer. I have been a YouTube creator since very long time, and I understand that the biggest pain point we all are having is not to shoot the videos, but it is the editing part. So if you are a YouTube creator who specifically shoot long form videos like these, which are tutorials, or in fact a video like we are seeing right now on the screen, these videos should be possible to be edited using AI, and that's what Cutsio does. And this is what Cutsio looks like for the creators. So you can go to cutsio.com and you can see Cutsio is a combination of all of these different AI tools. So you can chop off the silences from your footage. You can make your audio searchable in any language because Cutsio can transcribe whatever language you're speaking into searchable markers that will sit on top of your timeline, right? It also has a best take AI. So a lot of times when you shoot something, sometimes we fumble, sometimes the take doesn't come with the correct feeling. So all those fumble takes would be discarded and only your best take will be marked on your timeline. It can automatically generate chapters, and it also has a script AI, which means even before you do all of that, if you're stuck at the script level, just give Cutsio what you want to make the video about, and it's going to give the whole structure to you about how to create a YouTube video, including the hooks, the questions, the chapters. Every single thing would be structured because it's made by a person who has been doing YouTube videos since very, very long. So if you are a creator, this is for you. And if you are a consumer, check out Cutsio's YouTube summarizer. I'll give the link below in the description. And yeah, that's what I wanted to share in this video. Have fun and let me know if you have any feature request. I'll see you in the next one.